Hello and welcome to this video on how to level up your English with smarter word choices. Today, we're going to look at common phrases we use in everyday conversations, like very hot and very tired, and how you can replace them with more expressive alternatives. We'll cover everything from explanations and sentence transformations to quizzes and short reading exercises. By the end, you'll feel more confident in your ability to use advanced vocabulary. Let's get started. Don't say very, boost your vocabulary with simple changes. Let's begin. Don't say very loud. Say thunderous. Thunderous. When describing loud noises, very loud is common but lacks the vividness of the situation. If you want to describe an overwhelming sound, like a massive waterfall or an erupting volcano, thunderous is much more appropriate. This word adds intensity and visual imagery. Synonyms. In this section, we will explore synonyms along with examples to better understand their contextual usage. Very loud, thunderous, deafening, booming, resounding. Thunderous. The thunderous applause shook the auditorium as the performer took her final bow. Deafening. The sound of the explosion was deafening, leaving everyone temporarily disoriented. Booming. The booming voice of the announcer echoed through the stadium, energizing the crowd. Resounding. His resounding speech filled the hall and left a lasting impact on everyone present. Sentence transformation examples. In this section, we will examine the original sentences and match them with their transformed versions. The fireworks were very loud and startled everyone in the park. The announcement was very loud and caught everyone's attention. The thunderstorm was very loud and kept us awake all night. The cheers of the crowd were very loud when their team won the game. The announcement was resounding and caught everyone's attention. The cheers of the crowd were thunderous when their team won the game. The thunderstorm was deafening and kept us awake all night. The fireworks were booming and startled everyone in the park. Let's test our knowledge with quizzes based on what we have already learnt. (1) The sound of the thunder was blank, echoing across the valley. A. Soft. B. A very loud. C. Resounding. 2. Which word is most similar in meaning to thunderous? A. Faint. B. Booming. C. Hushed. 3. The applause after the performance was blank, filling the entire hall. A. Thunderous. B. A very loud. C. Quiet. (4) The engine's noise was blank as the car roared down the highway. A. Silent. B. Deafening. C. Very loud. 5. The fireworks show ended with a blank finale that left everyone amazed. A. Dull. B. Peaceful. C. Resounding. 6. The band's performance was blank, making it hard to hear anything else. A. Booming. B. Muted. C. Gentle. Let's listen to a short reading text and focus on the words we have learnt. The concert was unlike anything Henry had ever experienced. As the band started playing their first song, the sound was thunderous, shaking the entire stadium. The music was so loud that it felt deafening, making it hard to hear anything else around him. Each beat of the drums had a booming echo, creating a resounding effect that seemed to bounce off the walls. Despite the intensity, Henry loved every moment of it, immersed in the powerful energy of the music. Thunderous. Don't use very loud, use thunderous to describe the booming sound of the waterfall. Let's proceed with a new one. Don't say very smart. Say brilliant. Brilliant. Describing intelligence as very smart is somewhat dull and lacks depth. When someone shows exceptional creativity, innovation, or intelligence, brilliant is a stronger choice. This term is often used for exceptional ideas, innovative solutions, or remarkable insights. Synonyms. In this section, we will explore synonyms along with examples to better understand their contextual usage. Very smart, brilliant, ingenious, genius, sharp. Brilliant. Her brilliant idea revolutionized the way we approach renewable energy solutions. Ingenious. The team came up with an ingenious plan to solve the company's logistical problems. Genius. Everyone hailed her as a genius for developing a cutting-edge app that became an instant success. Sharp. His sharp wit and quick thinking made him a formidable opponent in debates. Sentence transformation examples. In this section, we will examine the original sentences and match them with their transformed versions. The student was very smart and solved the difficult problem quickly. His business plan was very smart and helped the company grow. The young prodigy was very smart and won multiple awards. Her approach to the design was very smart and revolutionized the industry. His business plan was genius and helped the company grow. The young prodigy was brilliant and won multiple awards. The student was sharp and solved the difficult problem quickly. Her approach to the design was ingenious and revolutionized the industry. Let's test our knowledge with quizzes based on what we have already learnt. One. Her innovative idea for the project was blank and saved the team time and effort. A. Brilliant. B. Uninspired. C. Clumsy. 2. The inventor's new gadget was blank, quickly gaining worldwide attention. A. Simple. B. Flawed. C. Genius. 3. Which word best fits as a synonym for brilliant? A. Uninspired. B. Sharp. C. Dull. Four. His business strategy was blank and led to great success for the company. A. Unimaginative. B. Very smart. C. Brilliant. 5. The engineer's design was blank and revolutionized the industry. A. Ordinary, B. Ingenious, C. Very smart. 6. The student's approach to solving the math problem was blank. A. Very smart, B. Brilliant, C. Average. Let's listen to a short reading text and focus on the words we have learnt. During the team's brainstorming session, Maria came up with a brilliant idea that completely changed the direction of their project. Her solution was so ingenious that even the senior managers took notice. "She's a genius," one of her colleagues whispered, amazed at how quickly she found a way to streamline the process. Maria's mind was always so sharp, quickly analyzing every detail and offering solutions before anyone else had even considered the problem. Brilliant. Don't use very smart, use brilliant to describe the young scientist's innovative idea. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, small changes in your word choices can make a big difference in how fluent and natural your English sounds. Practice using these new synonyms, try the quizzes, and don't forget to transform those basic sentences into more descriptive ones. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips and exercises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.